guys. So we left it off with in the shower, doing a little self-care, and to now get ready for
makeup.
Marley loves to put on makeup, so we're gonna start. So we received this month the Florence. Yeah, so we're gonna start
before we put the lips.
Yeah, we're gonna prep our lips with the Florence Glow Yeah lip oil. And
yeah, smell it. It's here.
I don't smell anything. I'm gonna put a little bit in the back of my hand. I'm gonna put with our hands right here. You guys, I have a runny nose, but I did go and get a COVID test. I don't have corona. It's so funny that now you get any symptoms of anything and you run and get a corona test before anything else. I think it's just allergies or I don't know what, but I'm corona free, so if you hear me, don't get scared. So we hydrated our lips. That feels really nice, that lip oil. So now we're gonna do our foundation. In this month subscription box, they sent the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. I'm going to quickly apply some foundation and see how it works. It's here. So you're just gonna pretend, because we're not putting foundation on your face, sweetie, okay? So I'm just gonna blend out my foundation and I'm gonna go in a downwards motion with the brush. Blended out my foundation really nice. Look how smooth.
My god, I can't even see it because it's like your skin cover, right?
Right, that's what you want. That's how you know you did it right, when you can tell where it starts, where it ends. While I do my concealer, Marley's going to be applying this highlighter. What is St. Luxe highlighter?
Yes.
In the shade Celestial.
Wait, how do you even put that on?
So you're gonna use the smaller side of this brush.
So how do I do it?
So for your highlighter, you want to put it in your so right here.
Oh, I know. I see people do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, on Kid YouTube.
Kid YouTube.
Yes.
Kid YouTube.
Because I'm a kid.
A child or something. Something.
You look like a lion, actually.
I look like a lion?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna blend this concealer in.
That's a lion. Yes, she's doing a lion makeup.
Yeah. You wanna put some lipstick on?
Yeah. I'm putting the lipstick on.
While Marley puts on her lipstick, I also received the Lock-It setting powder in the shade Translucent. I'm gonna use it now to set under the eyes, and in the T-zone. Lock-It.
I already am done. So I like to close the things when I'm done.
Definitely.
Oh. Definitely, you like to close the things when the lipsticks when you're done, because then it will break the lipstick.
All right, this powder is setting on.
To put it back.
Let me see. Wow. Wow, Marley. Let's focus on your lips right now.
I just want to laugh, actually. Okay, wait.
Marley, that lipstick looks stunning on you, child.
I literally look stunning.
Oh my god, I like the setting powder. It's like
effortlessly. So what is literally next?
It effortlessly setting my under eyes.
Next is next.
This shade by San Francisco XMBY Makeup Studio, and it is a 9-pan eyeshadow neutral eyeshadow palette. Marley, you wanna try this eyeshadow palette?
Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys what color I'm gonna use.
Yeah, you show them. We think I'm Marley, like your eyes.
Yes. I don't like to do like those crazy things what the people do, like that, the eyeshadow veil. I like to put a little veil.
Love it.
Yeah, love it.
You love it. Highlighter. I'm going to be trying the St. Luxe in Celestial, which is the one that Marley put on her cheeks as well. Now let me see, because it has like a little, oh yeah, it's pretty. at that.
Ooh, so pretty.
So pretty.
So,
I'm gonna do just like a quick daytime look.
eyeshadow.
We're actually going to BJ's, running errands.
I
Nothing
know,
crazy.
Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy. So I'm gonna go into the shade Mami.
Oh, mommy?
Mami, right here.
The shade of mama?
The shade of Mama.
The shade of mommies.
Oh, that's pretty. So that's like a nice blush.
Blush.
Yeah, like a blushy pinky shade there. Very pretty.
So, I've already done, yes, this eye.
Let me see. Wow, Marley, let me see. Let's focus on your makeup, because come on. Whoa.
I actually like this.
I actually like it very much
No, I
too.
like
I'm gonna grab this shade here, Hexed, with my ring finger, tap it into the lid.
I'm already done actually.
Oh wow, so pretty. Did you do the other eye? Oh yeah. Wow, Marley, I'm really impressed with your skills.
Mommy, I just do straight lines.
Some people struggle with that, baby. Myself included. I'm gonna go in the shade Girl Boss.
Go, boss!
Yeah.
What the?
Just to deepen the outer. It's a really nice eyeshadow palette, you guys. Really, really nice. I'm gonna take the shade Wifey and put it under my brow bone. That same and put it right here. My skin gets silly. So I'm gonna use the shade Tease. I'm trying to use as many shades from this palette just to see underneath my lashes. Okay, so here we go. They also sent an eyeliner.
Oh.
This is Araceli by a brand Araceli, and it is Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is really nice, nice and rich and pigmented, and it draws a very sharp line with minimum effort. So I like it. First impression, really good. We're going to, she already has lipstick. I'm gonna apply some of this House Laboratory lipstick, and this is Sparkle Lipstick Burlesque.
Oh my god.
The texture feels so nice of this lipstick.
Oh, you forgot a little place.
I know, I'm not done.
Good on you.
Oh my god, I love this lipstick, you guys.
Oh, you forgot.
I need this. What do you think?
Perfect.
What do you think? You love it? So what was your favorite from this month box? Everything?